Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick Anna. Now let's tap on edit contact in the right lower corner and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo, pick the option to take a photo, and thanks to this your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it and simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap. Just tap on OK, and from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We can zoom in or out the photo and change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. We can rotate the picture, it's up to you of course how you want to set it, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see here, we've got our saved contact. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.